If you have accidentally created an additional Facebook account and you just want to get rid of it and permanently delete that account, first make sure you are in the account that you want to delete. Now hit the menu, go to Settings, and then tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down and first go to the Personal Details option to Account Ownership and Control. Here, you gotta select Deactivation or Deletion, and then select this specific account if you got multiple accounts listed in here. Now after that, scroll down and it'll tell you that deleting account is permanent. Doesn't matter, you gotta delete it, just select Delete Account and then hit Continue. Now this part will tell you about all the activities like friendlies, photos, videos, etc. that will be deleted along with the account. Just go ahead, hit Continue. And then you gotta select the reason behind your choice. Now you can select anything from this list, but personally I think no longer find Facebook useful option is more suitable. The rest is your call. And then press Continue. And then once again press Continue. And once again in Permanently Delete Account option, scroll down and hit Continue. And then finally, to verify, put down your account password and then hit Continue. Now you'll end up in here in Confirm Permanent Account Deletion option. But as prompted, if you log into your account within the next 30 days of deletion, you can reactivate your account once again. And then just hit Delete Account. And that's all. You can now forget about this account. This will be deleted permanently after 30 days. Thanks for watching.